surprises do I have? I have
What do you have, Alana?
Hairdorables and suitcase.
And how about you?
Hairdorables Series 3.
Okay, let's pay. Where are you now?
William Smith. Smith Place Superstore and me and been buying Hairdorables.
Just Hairdorables. This is your obsession of hair.
No, wait. We also buy something for our baby brother Ibrahim.
What do you buy for him?
We buy a truck.
How are you?
Huh? I'm Safiya Sprinkle. And me, Alana Applefun. Welcome to our channel. Hi guys! Today we will be opening Hairdorables. My one is Hairdorables Suitcase. And my one is the Hairdorables Series 3 dolls. And there are 8 surprises. No, wait. 11 surprises. Yeah, there are 11 surprises in my one. There's a doll and outfit, collector's list, shoes, accessory, 3 stickers, a doll stand, a hair tool, a signature card, and a hair extension. My one has 8 surprises. And also, there's a collector's guide for red accessory, the Simto cloud, and the pop tails, the squishy, and the insert and the mystery doll. And the insert and the mystery doll. So, and also it says on the side on my one, hey influencers, the hashtag Hairdorables are ready to reveal all new looks. We've all had fabulous makeovers, but need your help styling our hair to make us look flawless. Color, crimp, and curl our amazing new hair to create all new looks of your own. Hashtag best hair day ever. And don't forget to check out the Hairdorables channel on YouTube. And there's Noah. And on the back there are pictures of some of the dolls. And it says on the front, color, crimp, curl. There is Brit, Cat, and Willow, and a mystery girl. And it says Hairdorables, big hair, don't care, with 39 dolls to collect across Series 3. And it says 11 surprises inside. Hopefully at this one, we definitely got Cat's sister Robert. If it's the little, if it is the mini one, it has rollerblades. Before we open our Hairdorables, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button down below. I already have this doll named Cat, and she has a cute little coffee cup, and I hope I get someone else in here so Cat can have a friend. And if you want to see what's in here and in there, then please stay tuned until the end of the video. And don't forget that Cat can have a little sister. Now let's start opening. Sorry if you hear something over there, that's just my baby brother with my mom. It says, pull here. Oh, these ones open differently. The Hairdorables pets that I opened last time, they open like straight over here. Oh, I got the collector. It says open here. Oh, this is actually the background. Ooh, that must be the insert. Looks like a toy store. It's a toy store. Wait, you have another too. I got this background. This is different. I can tell just by the background. Guys, look what we got.
What is that?
What is? This might be its accessory. Yeah. It's like this. It's the squishy. inside. Ooh, that's nice. It is very small, and it's purple. And the doll can hold it. Look at all that curly hair. Nice. Good. And a mystery doll is... that looks like it's that looks like it might be either Robin or Cece. I can't tell. It's not Cece. It's Robin! Her favorite color is Robin's egg blue. Her big sis is cat, which I have. And her favorite activity, training her hamster. Which it might be the thing that's in here. And I have my collector's guide. Open box number 1. And these backgrounds, they have pop-up features. It looks like a hair salon. Door number 1. We gotta open our baggie. This feels like it might be the shoe. Box number 2 has another bag. Number 3 has another bag. And number 4 has another bag. Before we get to the doll, let's open up all of the accessories. Let's open this one. We have some... You got a different one. Shoes. I think I know who this might be. She got Willow. Guys, she got Willow. I think I know who this might be.
So this is Miss Alana, is it? The last time she had...
No, it's a different one. They're like same dolls, but different styles. Just gotta open this one up. However, we have to open this. Mom, I need help. So inside we have a pair of wings. And here's a sticker, and we have a sticker, and this is the willow that my sister got. I think, this might be the hair tool. Oh! I got a color. Ooh, this is fun. It looks like I got this. She has Robin. She has the pet sitting Robin. And it is a signature. The heart is a mini me. The diamond is the signature, and the star is an ultra rare, which is this one, the mystery. I want this. So we have. It looks like it's a color. Last time I got curl, so yay! I got something else. What? Lily? Yep. And our hair extension. Just gotta get that part off. That was easy. This one's quite curly. And our doll is cat. Right over here. Get to guys, look at Robin. She's all dressed. And meet the mystery doll, Willow. Yes.
Is it the same as Alana?
No.
Oh, no.
My sister has this one.
Okay.
There's different styles, and she has pink, hair with blue streaks, and it's tied up
How
into...
to try this color with me ice cold water.
It's tied into a braid. She has blue eyes, some pink lipstick, and she has a blue and a white striped glitter dress. So let's get all of her shoes on.
Oh, yeah.
So just put the hair extension. I really love the hair extension.
Wait, I got a handbag. This is actually a handbag.
She's taking care of a hamster. That's what.
Is there a hamster inside?
Yeah, there's a hamster.
Or is hamster cage?
Yeah, it says her favorite activity is training her hamster. God, this is so hard to open.
Wait, actually, she went at the toy store and then she saw this.
Oh, she's looking super cute. Let's get her signature card. It says her bedtime routine is selecting fashions. Her favorite flower is a dahlia, I think. And her signature dance move is the unicorn dance. And where's the checklist? Here's the checklist with all of the signature dolls on one side and everybody on the other side. We have Poolside Willow, which is a crimp, Mountain Cat is a curl, and now we have Whirling Willow, which is a color. Yay! Oh, these are signature.
Okay.
This one's the ultra rare.
Wow.
Mysteries are always ultra rare. Yep, that's all I know. And
This is ultra rare.
I'm looking.
Mommy, this is ultra rare for mine.
For the small, for the shortcut.
Yeah, this one, Ultimate Maya.
Alright.
And this one's Gnarly Brit. And I'm really looking for Raincoat. She looks so cute. And I'm also looking for Late Night Noah, and she's a rare. So we have to make a big effort to find her. And also, I would love Sweet Dreams Dee Dee. She looks cute.
Then you mentioned just now at the front of the box, the way they tear it apart, it was different. The one that you had initially was like a straight cut.
Yeah,
This
you
is
just,
like,
you just pull it down like this. But that one, you just pull like this.
so that give you a clue then, if you want to buy another toy, isn't it? If you want to buy another one, we find another cut, maybe this way.
Mommy, I'm trying to make this as a display.
To use the color, we have to dip it in. Let me see the
What
instructions.
I say.
It says. It says that we have to use icy cold water, and then we dip it in, and then we put it on the hair extension. I believe it's gonna turn white because I see some turning white already. It is a cold day, so it should be turning. There's like a little sponge inside. Yeah, that we have to use. Now Cat and Willow are together. They're besties now. This one is a signature, and this one was the outdoor fun.
I did that, I did that, I did that.
I really, really want Sleepover Club. I really want this club. Whoever I get, I don't care who I get from these ones because all of them are so cute, and I love their cute little pajamas. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more of our videos. Bye!
Bye! Bye for me and you.